Welcome to today's lesson, which is how to make a meditation mask. You can start by drawing out your decoration ideas on a separate piece of paper and then cutting out a template of your mask. You then take that cutout and trace it twice on a piece of fabric. You will also want to trace it on a piece of felt. Once you've completed that, you want to cut out both of your fabric outlines and your felt outline. We're creating this meditation mask today to help us stay focused during our meditation, eliminate distractions, and the added darkness helps us settle faster and relax more deeply. Once you've finished cutting everything out, you want to glue your piece of felt and attach your piece of fabric to the felt. You can then flip over your mask and attach 2 pieces of ribbon to the sides using glue. The ribbons will be used to tie it around your head later on. You then want to take your second piece of fabric and glue the back of it. Once you finish gluing, you can attach your piece of fabric to your mask. Now that your mask is complete, you can take it and start decorating. You can decorate by taking a cutout of whatever your design is and putting it on a piece of felt. Then proceed to cut out your design very carefully. You can then take your cutout and glue it to the mask. Well, that's everything for today's lesson. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.